Teddy TV. Please enjoy. Hi guys, today we're talking about a horrible YouTuber named Jack's Workshop. He almost made Tom quit. See, he thinks he's an abuser and a rude person. He's even better than Steam King Productions. Well, I guess his King Productions isn't that bad. But what the freak, dude? You're making a Tom anti-streamer out of me? Like, you're gonna try to destroy him? Bruh, now you're making, like, death threats. Like, Tom is the best. Like, what do you mean? You dumbo? But the thing he didn't know yet is Tom has an Archives channel now. Thankfully, he's still alive with us. But yeah, this Jack's Workshop guy has been really rude and being rude to my butt. Has been kicking me in the butt. He has been rude. He's been abusing other YouTubers. And he's doing death threats. And again, he's better than Steam is King Productions. Yep. And then promise it's true. Okay. And Tom made this for his haters. Censored middle finger. Well, I had to censor it so you would demonetize me since it's a kid's YouTube channel I'm doing. But this guy has been being really evil. He's being really mad at Tom. Tom, chill. Please chill. Oh no, he's gonna blow. And yeah, so this is just, he is bad. So if he talks about me like, oh, I'm a baby, oh, you idiot. No, I'm not. I don't care. I don't care about that crap. This is from Teddy TV. Bye-bye.